Right, welcome everyone. I haven't been filming too much today as I've just been painting a couple of bits up because I want to get the rack back in so I can make this thing suck back on its wheels so I can move out and give this place a bit of a clean up. So yeah, like I say, I've painted the rack up and I've given the front cross member a lick of paint as well, but I can't put the rack in yet because this is still wet. So what I'm going to do is chuck this front valance on quick. So hopefully this ain't too boring, but we'll get it on. Alright, so let's chuck this on. I did make a slight mistake because this one should have a captive nut behind it as well, but I'm not going to start welding one of them on there now. I'm going to chuck one in the middle somewhere first, I think. Get them all in there loose. I did run a tap down all the holes, so hopefully we shouldn't have any problems. It's a bit dark. Hopefully you can see alright, because it is a bit dark in here. Barely see me nuts and washers. I'm not going to lie, I did buy a new set and I can't find them. But in the big scheme of things, it's not really going to matter. Because they'll all be painted over anyway. You're going to lose me as I go around the corner, but oh, and they don't line up. That's handy then. These ones line up. Barely. Oh, a bit of washing that. The other side it's not lined up very well, so I might have to tweak it a bit. See what we can get in. Oh, neither does this line up very well either. Get a pokey stick. Try not to hit the camera while I open this drawer. Well, that's it. small out washer. That one in there. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, so all seven line up this side, right? That's not the right socket. Right, so I'm going to have a little fiddle over here. This side is out. I think it might have distorted it slightly when I repaired this wing. I reckon I'll get that in there though. Right, I'll back in a sec. I'll just get these in there loose. Right, so after a little bit of fettling, I've got the other corner to fit now. There's a big rubber in there. I already did that one. I think I might have just like pulled it with the heat a little bit when I did that. Makes it so much easier cleaning the bar holes out. Yeah, going to be a short but sweet video this week. My original one was all stoved in here. I don't know whether a jacket did it or whether it run over something or what, but we didn't want to use that one. Alright, that's it. Like I said, short but sweet, but have a little bit on there. Bit of painting done today, but I didn't bother filming that because I didn't think it'd be very exciting. So yeah, thanks for watching and catch you all next time.